Hey cooks, welcome back to a new edition of I'm Cooking Again. Of course I'm cooking again. We're doing a homemade pizza. I say homemade, homeboy, who you talking to? Bacon, pepperoni, we got the shell right here, and an egg in the game. This pizza is gonna be special, man. Stay with your boy. I'm cooking again. Okay, Coach, we're here. Let us stand. You gotta follow your pan. Come on, Coach. You gotta follow your pan now. Respect the gangster. Okay, this is a pre-made from Publix. Look at this thing. Look at this. Come on, Coach. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Oh. With the what? With the what? With the what? Can I get a whoop whoop? Oh, I'm not gonna flip it now. I'm not gonna flip it. That looks somebody's. That's somebody's mama's problem. Okay, cooks. That's somebody's mama's problem. What we got right here. Look at this, cooks. You said, wait a minute. I need more flour, cooks. Stay with your boy. I'm cooking again. Are we back here? Look at this. There's some flour in the game. I'll tighten this up. Come on. Cooks, look at this. Look at this. A lot of. Spin it. Flour in the game. Come on, y'all. I don't know what they're gonna do with that. Fall in love. That's what we get. My wife loves to think first. So we got it right here. Look at this. Look at this. Hello? Is it me you're looking for? Look at this. Look at this thing, y'all. You know, of course, we got some nonsense. Look at this. I'm going for the gate. Look at this. Now this is the gate. Look at this. Come on, cooks. See, I'm gonna show you from front to back. That's nonsense. Right there. Look at that. See? Who you talking to? Look at this. How dare you? Cooks, look at this. Of course. I'm trying to get a good crust. Cooks, stay with your boy. I'm cooking again. Okay, cooks. We're here. Little sauce. Oh, little sauce. Little sauce. No name game. No name. Come on, cooks. Let's get it. Let's spread it out. Who you talking to? No oversauce. Call me. Oh, that's different. Come on, y'all. Look at this thing, man. Somebody said a little more sauce. Somebody said a little more sauce. How dare you? You're right though. The pizza is the sauce. We can make our own pizzas, y'all. Home pizza. Let's get it. Look at this thing. Okay, somebody said a little more sauce. Oh, somebody said a little more sauce. How dare you? A little more sauce? Oh, let's get saucy. Let's get it. Come on, cooks. Rock with your boy now. Come on now. All right, let's get it off camera. Let's go. Of course, cheese. You see me. Of course, to make a good pizza, it's good cheese. Let's get it. Mozzarella, provolone. Let's go. Look at this thing. What you talking? Come on. Am I supposed to fight somebody? Oh, I might, but I don't know. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, y'all. Call me. What are you talking to? This pizza it's a good pizza. Good pizza. Of course, What's next? Pepperoni game. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm going around the perimeter. Going around the perimeter. Of course. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Yes, 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 ma'am, sir, whoever you are. We got the pizza game. Look at this thing. Who you talk? Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's how we get out. Okay. Look at this thing. Come on, Cooks. That's a lot right there. Okay, Cooks? Stay with your boy. We're gonna do some more to it. I'm cooking again. Are we here, y'all? Come on. Pepperoni game. Pepperoni. Who? Let's get it. Look at this thing. Look at this piece. This piece is gorgeous. Of course. More monster ball. Let's make this pizza real. Real in the field, y'all. Real in the field, y'all. Look at this. Come on. We're gonna put some egg in the game. Who you talking? Look at the egg pizza. I seen this video. Little eggs in the game. Eggs in the game. This is crazy. Is it crazy? Look at this thing. Eggs in the game, y'all. Eggs in the game. Who you talking to? And of course, now bacon time. Bacon time. Real bacon. I fried this bacon myself. I fried it myself. Look at this. This is a real bacon. Real bacon in the game. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, that's a big piece. That's a little ridiculous. Come on, Cooks. Look at this thing, man. Look at this thing. And then, wow, he's still going? Yes. Yes. Mozzarella cheese in the game. Who you talking to? That's how we do pizza, y'all. This is how we do pizza. Nobody mad, nobody cares. Look at this thing. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Look at this thing, Cooks. Epic cook, epic cook, epic cook. It's going in the oven. I might put it on the grill. I think I'm gonna put it in the pellet smoker. 20 minutes. Stay with your boy. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. It's never enough cheese. It's never enough cheese. It's never enough cheese. What are you talking to? Look at this thing, man.